everybody. Welcome back to Belky's Twist. Today I am really excited because I have my friend Natalie here with me and we are making shepherd's pie. Now, Natalie is from England and I met her when we lived back east and she worked at my youngest son's school. So she is visiting Arizona, loving Arizona. She won't be moving to Arizona. And not because it's too hot, just because her husband won't move to Arizona.
Yep. Snakes and scorpions.
Yes, but she is going to leave me with the present of having cooked shepherd's pie. So, what's up, Nat?
Hi, I am so excited to be here in Arizona. Today we will be cooking shepherd's pie, which is a traditional Irish dish. And back in the early cookery books, it was said that shepherd's pie was a dish made up from leftovers from a Sunday roast. In England, it's traditional on a Sunday to have a roast dinner with a roasted meat, vegetables and potatoes. So on Mondays, any leftovers were kind of scooped up into a main dish of leftovers. And then it became a traditional dish that people made.
That is so smart.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
It's very yummy.
That's very smart. I should do that with my food. I just kind of throw it out. So maybe I should start making some shepherd's pie with my leftovers.
Absolutely. Any meat, any vegetable, and potatoes.
And then tell us a little bit about the other pie that is kind of similar.
Yeah, well, shepherd's pie is made with lamb, shepherd's, lamb, and cottage pie is made with beef.
Yes.
So it's just slightly different.
Yes, slightly different. But today we're going to make shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie with lamb.
So hang in with us, and we are going to start right now. Give me 5!
Okay, so right now we're going to add the mashed potato on top of the meat dish, and I'm going to smooth it over with a plastic spatula, and then a trick of the trade, use a fork to fluff the mashed potato on top so you get mountains, little points, so when you bake it in the oven, the points get nice and crispy and brown, So you have the combination of the crispy brown potatoes as well as the nice soft potatoes underneath.
So we're done. It is absolutely beautiful. We're really proud of ourselves, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh my God, we should toast.
Cheers.
So what do you got to say? It's going to be the best thing
Yes,
I've ever
it's
tasted.
going to be amazing. Try it. Let me know what you think. Oh, it's so
Oh my
crusty.
God. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's
So, the Parmesan on top
Mhm.
makes it really nice and crusty, like crunchy.
Yep.
And then there's the softness of the potato right underneath. And then you get the beef and the vegetables.
Yeah. It's like there's 2 layers to the potato.
It's delicious.
Mm.
Oh my God, I can eat like the whole thing.
Mm.
Oh my God.
So good.
And then, oh,
Thanks for having me.
oh my God.
Mm.
Well, thank you for coming
Mm-hmm.
and for making this. This is
good.
really good. Mm. One last toast for you guys to make it.
Cheers. Enjoy.
Cheers. Mm. Oh my God, Natalie.
It's so good.
This is one of the best things I've eaten.
Oh, you can see the layers.
He's slamming yours back there.